last video, we reviewed Hilton Head National RV Resort. After 3 months on the East Coast and having upgrades done at the Airstream Factory Center in Ohio, we've headed west for more adventures in New Mexico and Arizona before heading north for our big adventure in Alaska.
In this video, we'll share 3 Harvest Host locations as we travel west.
Our first overnight, Tuscan Hills Winery in Effingham, Illinois. We enjoyed a bottle of wine and a great charcuterie. Harvest Host is a network of wineries, farms, breweries, and other unique locations that invites self-contained RV travelers to stay overnight for an annual membership of $99 per year. It's a perfect way to experience local culture while enjoying a comfortable and peaceful stay.
Our next Harvest Host stop was Peoria Ridge Golf Course in Miami, Oklahoma. Time didn't allow for a round of golf during our stay, but we enjoyed a beverage and a sandwich at the Pro Shop Bar and Grill.
Our last Harvest Host stop before reaching Aztec, New Mexico was the most unique, Enchanted Mill and Ranch in Stanley, New Mexico. This fiber mill, boutique, and Alpaca Ranch was awesome. Candace and John own and operate the custom fiber mill and ranch, which is full of alpacas, llamas, sheep, and 2 pregnant burros. They also have beautiful peacocks and chickens.
This is a full-service custom fiber processing mill offering a wide variety of services for their customers' raw fibers as well as the fibers they get from their herd.
And it's been a lot of learning.
Yeah.
So that rug yarn is the bits and pieces that come off when I'm playing with the machines that I've wasted is what it is, because I was learning.
Right.
And so I just stuck it in a tub and saved it, and then this morning threw it on the belt. Make the penguin rugs. So the rug yarn in that tub there that he just covered is what I did today.
Oh,
and I'll turn
nice.
it into rugs.
Very nice.
We were so impressed with the tour of the mill and ranch and could feel the joy they get from what they have accomplished. Our description of this mill will never do justice, so we encourage you to check out their website and plan a visit. We had so much fun.